Eto, matutunghayan naman natin sa susunod nating video ang highlights ng Senate budget hearing para sa 2025 budget ng Department of Justice and its attached agencies.
Kabilang po ang Public Attorney's Office o ang PAO sa attached agencies ng DOJ for budget purposes. Panoorin po natin ito.
Persida sa puso't isipan ang pangarap sa buhay. Maging abogado ng bayan, hustisya'y kanyang ilalaan. Sa kamay ni Persida, kabutihan ang ilalaan. Kanyang kayamanan, prinsipyo, dignidad. Persida, abogado ng masa. Persida, lingkod ng bayan. Persida, may takot sa Diyos. Nagmamalasakit sa kapwa. Persida Acosta. Sama-sama't magkaisa, tulungan ang naaapi. Katotohanan at katarungan, Persida tunay na kasanggap. Sa kamay ni Persida, kabutihan.
Atin pong mga PDL, tatanungin ko lang po kung ilan na po, noong pong nag-umpisa ang ating Congress, nakausap po natin ang kalihim ng DOJ at kami po yung nagkasundo na magkakaroon ng sunod-sunod na paglaya sa mga PDL. Kamusta po ito? Meron po ba tayong record kung ilan na po ang lumaya?
For the past 2 years, 16,000 na po ang napalaya. At sa darating na ito pa, may pahabol pang 5,000 more.
Opo. Ako po ay pumupuri din po sa Public Attorney's Office dahil narami po silang natutulungan.
I have questions for the PAO pero okay na po yan PAO. Outstanding government agency yan eh. So,
Siyempre, pag naman si Miss Acosta.
so we just wish you all the best and we congratulate you for your achievements. Marami namang achievements. I-ano lang po natin, konting pagmayabang lang natin ng konti ang ating mga achievements. So, congratulations and we wish you the best for 2025. Thank you, Madam Chairwoman, for your patience.
I move that the budgets of the following: the Department of Justice, Office of the Secretary, Bureau of Corrections, Bureau of Immigration, Land Registration Authority, National Bureau of Investigation, Office of the Government Corporate Counsel, Office of the Solicitor General, Parole and Probation Administration, Presidential Commission on Good Government, Public Attorney's Office, and the Office for Alternative Dispute Resolution be deemed submitted for the Senate's consideration and approval. I so move, Mr. President.
Before the chair would like to would act in the motion, we'd just like to congratulate the DOJ family led by Secretary Remulla for the innovations and the reforms that they have been instituting in the Department of Justice and its attached agencies. So there's a motion by the Majority Leader. Is there an objection? There being none, motion is approved.